Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Let's Speak in English. How to start English speaking on very first day. It's very simple. First of all, start with self-introduction. In self-introduction, introduce about yourself. For example, you can use these sentences. My name age, what your name you can add in the sentence, and I'm from this town. For example, you from Bombay, you can use Bombay, or if you from Delhi, you can use Delhi. And I'm learning English, and I want to speak English friendly, and thank you. This is a simple introduction, and this builds a confidence for speaking English. And next one, you can use daily sentence. Practice this sentence every day. For example, I'm ready. Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. I'm drinking water. Let's go. I want to learn English. These are daily sentences. Use them every day and practice them every day. Speak these magic phrases in daily life. Use these phrases while you're communicating with someone else. This is we call magic phrases because these are very simple and help you to speak fluently. For example, excuse me, please, thank you, I don't understand. Can you repeat? These very simple phrases you can add in your communication that help you in speak English fluently. And next one, practice 10 minutes daily. Use these simple phrases, self-introduction, or whatever you find on a sentence. Practice them every day for 10 minutes and repeat simple sentence and listen to slow English on internet, whatever you like on a video, listen them and understand the accent, how to pronounce them. And one more important thing, you have to practice every day. Think in English for small things. For example, I'm brushing my teeth. You can imagine on a sentence and try to be think in English. And finally, don't fear mistake. Everyone make mistake. Speak without shame. When you doing mistake, you learning again and again, and you will be next time using correct word and correct sentence. So continue doing practice every day and learning new vocabulary word to use them in sentence that help you to speak English fluently. Hopefully you understand about that how to speak English from very first day. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel as well.